Hello, everyone, and welcome to this podcast. My name is David. Today, we're going to talk about a very important topic: why learn English? Maybe you are already learning English. Maybe you are thinking about it. Or maybe you're just curious. Whatever your reason, this episode is for you. So, let's begin. First of all, English is one of the most widely spoken languages in the world. It is spoken in many countries, such as the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and many others. But even in countries where English is not the official language, millions of people use it every day. This makes English a global language. Now, you might ask, why is that important? Well, because English connects people. Imagine you are traveling to another country. You don't speak the local language, but you meet someone who speaks English. Suddenly, you can communicate. You can ask for directions, make friends, share ideas, and understand each other. That's the power of English. Another important reason to learn English is education. Many of the world's best universities use English as the main language of instruction. If you want to study abroad or access international courses online, English will be very useful. You can read books, watch lectures, and understand academic materials more easily. English opens the door to knowledge. Let's talk about jobs and career opportunities. In today's world, many companies operate internationally. They need employees who can communicate with people from different countries. English is often the common language used in business. If you speak English, you can have more job opportunities. You can work for international companies, communicate with clients, and even work remotely with people from all over the world. In short, English can improve your career. Now, let's look at technology. Most of the content on the internet is in English. Websites, tutorials, videos, and articles are often written in English. If you understand English, you can access more information, learn new skills, and stay updated with the latest trends. Think about platforms like YouTube, online courses, or even social media. English allows you to understand more content and connect with more people. English is also the language of science and innovation. Many scientific studies, research papers, and discoveries are published in English. If you are interested in science, medicine, engineering, or technology, English is extremely important. It gives you access to the latest knowledge in your field. But learning English is not only about work or school. It is also about culture and entertainment. Do you enjoy movies, music, or series? Many popular films and songs are in English. When you understand English, you can enjoy them without subtitles. You can understand the jokes, the emotions, and the meaning behind the words. You can also discover new cultures and perspectives. English helps you see the world differently. Another reason to learn English is confidence. When you learn a new language, you challenge yourself. You step out of your comfort zone. At first, it may be difficult. You might make mistakes, but that's okay. Every mistake is a step forward. Over time, you will improve. You will understand more, speak better, and feel more confident. This confidence can help you not only in language learning, but also in other areas of your life. Now, let's talk about communication. English allows you to meet people from different backgrounds. You can make international friends, join online communities, and share your ideas with the world. In today's connected world, communication is key, and English is one of the most powerful tools for communication. You might be thinking, learning English is difficult. Yes, it can be challenging, but it is also possible. The key is consistency. Practice every day, even for a few minutes. Listen to English, read simple texts, speak whenever you can, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Remember, learning a language is a journey. It takes time, patience, and effort, but the results are worth it. Let me give you a simple example. Imagine two people with the same skills and qualifications. One speaks only their native language, and the other speaks English as well. Who will have more opportunities? In many cases, the person who speaks English will have an advantage. That's why learning English is an investment in yourself. It is an investment in your future. Before we finish, I want to give you some encouragement. If you are learning English right now, don't give up. Even if progress feels slow, you are improving. Every word you learn, every sentence you understand, every conversation you try, it all counts. Be proud of your progress and keep going. So, to summarize, we learn English because it helps us communicate with people around the world. We learn English to access education and knowledge. We learn English to improve our careers. We learn English to enjoy culture and entertainment. And most importantly, we learn English to grow as individuals. Thank you for listening to this podcast. I hope it inspired you to continue your English learning journey. See you next time.